Hey everybody, this is Mike, the Help Desk Manager here at Leap Managed IT. Today I'm going to go over our Help Desk app. You can find your app located on your desktop. It's going to have our red frog icon. If you double click that, it's going to bring up the app. It's got some different information listed on it. We're going to go over the items listed here on the left hand side and then talk about how they come up over here. So the first item is create a ticket, which obviously helps you create a ticket. Your open tickets shows you your current open tickets. Closed tickets shows you your closed tickets. Training resources goes into some detail on some Microsoft training that we have available. Quotes and invoices are not used through us. Our self-help center we'll get to in a little bit more information with documentation portal and step-by-step user guides. So first of all, the main thing that we use this app for is creating tickets. Let's go ahead and create a ticket. We click on create a ticket. It's going to have some drop-down options here. Computer issue, email. If you're an HR person, if you're hiring someone or someone's leaving the company, you can give us that information through here. Purchasing equipment. There's a bunch of different options that you have. But today we're just going to go with a computer issue. And we want to find some more information about that. So hardware problem, software application, slow, computers running slow, internet issues, what's going on. So in this case, we have a hardware problem. So let's say my screen is flickering. So it's just like an email. You're going to put your subject line in there, and then you're going to give us as much detail as possible. You can say, I have two screens, and the left screen is flickering. I have turned it on and off, but it is still happening. So I'm going to give as much information as I can, tell the technician what I've already done to try and resolve the issue, and then I'm going to go down here and submit the ticket. We have some other options here, so maybe it's not a screen flickering issue, but maybe you're having an Outlook error or some other errors popping up on your screen. And it's a big, long error, and you don't really want to type it or try and figure out a way to get it to us. So an easy way to do that is to have it up behind the app and click take a screenshot. That's going to minimize the app, bring the app back up, and attach a screenshot of your desktop. So if that error was up there on the screen, it's going to give it to us there. So we don't have to, you don't have to try and explain it to us or anything like that. It's just going to be right there attached to the ticket. If you do have an attachment that you need to attach, like an Excel document or a Word document, maybe you're having some problems with, you can also attach those as well, up to 6 megs. So let's go ahead and submit our ticket, and it'll take a second here because we have an attachment. Once that ticket goes through, it's going to take us to the main ticket screen. It's going to show us all the information about our ticket. So here's our timeline of the ticket. It's going to show the main information that you gave us, the attachment, and then also if there was any other information. So as we move along through this ticket trying to help you with it, you're going to see that discussion notes are going to come in here where we're asking for information from you. Any notes that we provide to you on the ticket will be listed in here as well. If you don't have the app open, you are going to receive those same information in an email. So when we update the ticket to a specific status, so maybe we're waiting on information from you, you're going to receive an email that's also going to have that. You can just reply to the email as well. It's another way to give us that information, and all that will be located here in this timeline as well. So we need immediate assistance on this situation. So we're going to go up here and we're going to click Start a Live Chat. This is how you get a hold of us the fast way when you enter a ticket. So we're going to wait on one of the texts to attach and get in contact with us here. So one of them has gotten on here, and they're going to take the time. They're going to look over your current issue. They're going to review your notes. So that's why it's key to give us as much information as possible. Providing us that information means you're not going to have to explain it again to us in a chat. So Alex says he's reviewing the ticket details now. So he's checking it out and seeing what's going on so he doesn't have to ask you a bunch of questions. So we can say, thanks, Alex. I appreciate it. So he's going to take some time, go over that information, maybe start asking us some questions. He's also going to ask, maybe he needs to attach and get connected to your computer so he can see the issue. Maybe the issue is only on your side and it's a physical problem, and he'll start talking to you about those things. If we need to go in a lot of detail, we might want to give you a call, though. It's a lot easier to talk in person to see if we can figure out the issue. And then also with a situation like this, with the screen flickering, it might be an actual physical device problem, and we might want to schedule a time to come on site to figure that problem out. So we can keep going on this chat if we need to, and he might come on and say something like, hey, can I help you with that? Can I get on your computer? And I'll say, okay, thanks, see ya. And we can go ahead and leave the chat. You can also close the chat and keep it open if you're ever wanting to come back to it, but also we can just leave the chat and that will close it out completely. So if you want to leave a message also, and you can say, I think I fixed it. Thanks for the help. It was a loose cable. And I can put that information on here. Once that information attaches to this, it'll show up on our end, and we can see that information. We might respond back and say, hey, thanks. We'll go ahead and close that ticket, and you'll receive this status update over here. So that's how you create a ticket and start in contact with us. If you have current open tickets, you can go down here and click on open tickets, and it's going to show us all those. So this status is that client responded to ticket because I put that note on the ticket, but I also have this open ticket here that my sound isn't working. So we can go back on that ticket. We can review it. I can say that I tried to play my Britney Spears, but it won't play. I gave as much information as I could. The volume's up, the speakers are on, but nothing's coming out. So then I attached a little information about that. So I showed that I had it open, and I can re-download that if I need to. So now I'm ready to work on this issue as well. So I can go ahead and start a chat as well on my current open tickets. So one of the guys will get connected to us. So Josh connected to us again, and this shows my last time that I chatted with him. So it gives us that information again. So I can say, I am ready to work on this issue. And then he'll get in contact with us again, ask us if he can connect to our computer, or maybe give us a call so we can maybe hear if the sound's working or not. And we'll go through that process. So we can say, thanks, Josh, for the help. It's working now. Oh, I'm sorry. Alex connected with us. Cool. So anyways, so we can go ahead and leave that chat. And so that's how you can get back into your tickets. So you go back to open tickets, click on the ticket. You can chat with us, leave messages if you figured it out. You can attach more files. You can do different items like that. So that's basically what it all comes down to on adding tickets and reviewing your tickets. You can also review your closed tickets if you have a ticket that is currently closed and you want to check out any information on that. If you are an admin where you're able to see everyone's tickets, you can go up here and click on all closed tickets, and this will show you all the current closed tickets. And up here on open tickets, if you click on all open tickets, that will show you all the current open tickets for your company. That's only if you have that feature. That would be any admins or point of contacts for us. So also, we have some other information listed in here with our step-by-step user guides. Our step-by-step user guides are information that we're providing to you that goes through some of the products that we provide. So if you are on Office 365, it shows you how to connect that information. If you're using one of our VPN clients like NetExtender, this will walk you through that. If you're using our email security or spam filter, a user guide for that, and the help desk app. This will be changed. It's currently set at the older app, but we'll get this updated and it will match up with your current app. So we'll go ahead and open that, and you will see this video, and then also all the information listed in a tutorial walks you through everything. And this is our older app. Some of you might know that app. So yeah, so that is our app that walks you through everything on how to create a ticket, view your open tickets, your closed tickets, shows you more information down here on step-by-step user guides. If you have any questions about the app, or you can't open the app and you still need to open a ticket, you can always get in touch with us at our telephone number at 765-741-9446. Or you can always submit a ticket through email as well. So maybe you can't get to the app, but you can get on your phone. You can submit a ticket through itsupport@leapmanagedit.com. Submit that with your current company email address that's connected to your account, and that will open the ticket for you, and we can start the conversation at that point. And again, if it's an emergency, please contact us by phone at 765-741-9446. Emergency situations, we'd like to talk to you as soon as possible and trying to get that issue resolved. If it is after hours, if you call that number, you will receive another person on the phone that will get you in touch with a tech within 30 minutes. So if you have any questions, you can always get a hold of us at that IT support at leadmanagedit.com or give us a call. And thanks for watching.